Now we are checking out whether our web server is functioning and whether we are able to access localhost. Yes, it works. Okay, now we are going to open the IDE and create directories. The first directory which will be created is config, which would store the source code of the website configuration. The next directory is controllers, which would store controller classes. Here it is. The one more directory would be modules, which would store the module classes of our project. And the another very important directory called views. Views in turn would consist of many controller folders. The lib folder would store framework libraries. The lang directory would store the multilingual settings of the web project. The next directory is webroot, which would store all the stuff which must have public access via direct links, such as CSS files and JavaScript files. Here we are creating the corresponding directories. CSS and JavaScript files. Images would be too. We also may create extra directory uploads, to which users may upload their own content, avatars, and so on. Now it can be seen that inside the config directory there are settings. Inside the controllers directory there are controllers. In module there are modules as a consequence, and in views directory there are views framework, in other words. The lib directory consists of libraries and codes behind. The lang directory, multilingual settings, and the webroot directory, all the rest of content, as well as static content. There would be also the index.php file, which would be processing all the requests of our website. Now we can see that the structure is already created. During the next lecture, we will be extending our project and adding files such as index.php.